Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get control items or the control panel button back on your start menu in your Windows 10 operating system. So this is slowly becoming a depreciated feature within the Windows OS, and it's been stated before from Microsoft officials that it looks like that they're eventually going to try and fade out the control panel, and they want it to become part of the settings window, so they don't really want to have two different areas that you would go underneath for settings. And they've already started by removing the control panel, so if you right click on the start button, you can see that you no longer have the control panel option from this context menu. You still have it if you went in the start menu and searched up control panel, and you're more than welcome to create a taskbar shortcut or create a shortcut for the desktop, but that's not really what this video is about today. This video is going to be restoring the control panel if you right click on the start button and getting it back down here. So we're going to jump right into this, and we're going to start by opening up a web browser. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. Again, doesn't really matter, and I'm going to head over to Google. And now in the Google, I am going to type in WinArrow or WinArrow menu plus X editor, and you want to hit enter. You can do a little variation of that search, doesn't have to be exact. And one of the best matches should say winarrow.com, and it should be from Win plus X menu editor for Windows 10 and Windows 8. I'm going to open that up. Again, that's what it says at the time of this recording. It might be a little different as time moves on. But I'm going to scroll down on this page. And if you have any ads on the page, you want to just be careful. You want to be clicking on exactly what I'm showing in this video. And we want to click on this download Win plus X menu editor for Windows 10 and Windows 8. You want to left click on this hyperlink right here. You don't want to click on any buttons that say start download or anything unless you want to, but that's really misleading. It's not actually what we're downloading for this video, and it will come in a zip file format. So if whatever you download is not a zip file, you downloaded the wrong thing. So I'm going to click on that link, and then it's going to redirect us to this new page. And again, you're going to have to scroll down again until you get to download Win plus X menu editor. And a little trick if you are confused about which download to select, even though I've already pretty much laid it out that you click on the hyperlinks, is that there's something that says donate right above it, or right below it I should say. So you want to select the download right above the donate button. And when I say hyperlink, I don't mean click on any hyperlinks that say click to download. This isn't even really a hyperlink here. You want to click on this one right above the text or right on the text. So I'm going to select that. Again, it should be a zip file format. And I'm going to save that to my desktop here. However you want to move it, or if you want to open it right from the web browser, that's fine. And I'm going to double click to open it up. And now I'm going to double click on the WinXE editor, which should say application right underneath type. I'm going to extract all. I'm going to extract it to the desktop. You can change the location if you want, doesn't really matter. You're more than welcome to delete this once you're done. It doesn't actually install a program or anything, so you can just remove the folder when you're done working with what we're doing today. And you want to double click on the WinXE editor. Now it should have a little bit of a different icon now that it's no longer stuck in that compressed folder. So we're going to double click on it. If you get a file security warning, you want to left click on run. I'm going to minimize out of the other screen here. Now you want to scroll down using the scroll bar on the right here until you get to group 2. And now there should be something that says control panel. You want to right click on it, left click on rename. Now you want to rename it system, and then click on OK. The reason why we're doing that is because we're going to be actually naming the control panel what the control panel should be. Otherwise, we're really just cleaning up and reorganizing what the names of these shortcuts will be. And once you've done that, you want to right click on the group 2 folder right here, and then left click on add from the context menu, and then left click on add a control panel item. Now you want to scroll down on this list, not too far, but until you get to control panel, and then left click on select. And then once you've done that, you want to left click on restart Explorer. Please note you should close out of any programs or applications or web browsers you may have open before you proceed with this, because it will close out of any web browsers you have open. And then you want to exit out of the Win plus X menu editor. And if we right click on the start button now, we see we have an option for the control panel. If you left click on that, you can see it opens up the good old fashioned control panel. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.